Let's make a restaurant-style margherita pizza at home. Create a soft, elastic dough with simple ingredients. Stretch the dough gently, keeping the edge beautifully thick. Spread a thin layer of fresh tomato sauce. Add fresh mozzarella, basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. Bake it quickly in a blazing hot pizza oven.
Look for a golden crust and bubbling, melted mozzarella.
Fresh, cheesy, crispy, and restaurant-worthy. Perfect margherita pizza.